Welcome to today's short video where we dive into lesser-known facts about Siberian Huskies. Siberian Huskies are renowned for their captivating blue eyes and striking appearance. They're famous for their endurance and were bred by the Chukchi people for sled pulling in harsh Arctic conditions. Despite their wolf-like appearance, they're affectionate and gentle with families. Their graceful movements and agility make them impressive athletes. They tend to be sociable with other dogs, thanks to their pack-oriented nature. Huskies are not only sled dogs, but also excel in agility competitions. Their hauntingly beautiful howl is a distinctive trait and a form of communication. Their powerful jaws and teeth are adapted for hunting in the wild. In conclusion, Siberian Huskies are multifaceted, intelligent, and captivating companions.